Look at this question. When benzene is treated with this compound, okay, now what is this compound? Name of the compound CH2COOH, CH2COOH. Name of this compound is oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid, adipic acid. Choose any one of the option. OH and H I am taking out. It is its anhydride. CH2CH2 COO group. So this is succinic anhydride, you can say. When benzene treated with succinic anhydride, the product formed is similar type of reaction. Okay, you break here. This is moving towards the oxygen, so oxygen will be getting negative charge and this part will be getting positive charge. This is nothing but Friedel-Crafts acylation, like acylation. So here plus charge will come, that part I am adding here. Then this is CH2CH2, 2 carbons I made. Then this is COO minus. And when you are using H2O, this will become COOH. It is Friedel-Crafts acylation only. Friedel-Crafts acylation can be carried out using acyl halides. Okay, otherwise we can go with this kind of acid chlorides we can use, or you can use even acid anhydrides also. AlCl3 when you are using this side or any one side you break. Okay, now or you break this side, no problem. It is going towards the oxygen, so this is carbon will be getting plus charge, so it is added here. C double bond O, CH2CH2COH. Similar to this, I will ask you one more reaction. Very similar to this. You tell me now. Benzene, when treated with, this is benzene. Here COOH, COOH. Compound name is, when two COOH groups are nearby, 1-2 positions, ortho position, that is phthalic acid. From this one water molecule I am taking out, so this will become phthalic anhydride. Same conditions, first step AlCl3, second step water. The product will be yes, exactly, just try to write in your notes. First place is same, this I am taking out here, so this will be CO. This CO attached to benzene. Okay, CO next place only COO. This will become COO minus. After adding H2O, it will become COOH. It's a simple question. It's a simple application. You can expect in your exam. Benzene, when treated with phthalic anhydride in the presence of AlCl3H2O, this bond shifts, or this bond you can take. CO plus you are getting there. So this CO plus is going to be added here. Then benzene ring. The next place to this CO is converted to COH. Little interesting about these reactions. And here few questions I have. I will just ask you the question. I will only give you the answer. Okay. The only thing is you just think it for a moment. I will mention you the answer. Okay. I don't want to waste your time. Cyclopentadiene reacts with NaNH2 to form sodium cyclopentadienide salt. But cyclopentene doesn't. Cyclopentadiene reacts with NaNH2 sodamide to form its anion, whereas cyclopentene does not. Cyclopentadiene means you need to take like this only, as you know the condition. In a ring, 2 double bonds cannot be side by side. So this is the only possible structure for that. There is no need to mention 1,3-cyclopentadiene. In this case, what we are saying is NaNH2 when you are using, it is forming an anion like this. Exactly, this is aromatic. So formation of this will be much easy. When you are using only cyclopentene like this, cyclopentene, okay, now only cyclopentene when you are using NaNH2, there is no use of this. Even if you are taking a proton from here, there is no, only one resonance is there, but this is aromatic. So it readily forms. Whenever a compound is turning into aromatic, that is going to be highly feasible reaction, you can say. That is one point. Pyrrole is a weaker base than pyridine. Pyrrole is a weaker base. Pyrrole is this one. Pyridine is this one. Both are having a pair of electrons, pyrrole, pyridine. But the problem with the pyrrole is its lone pair is in conjugation. Without its lone pair, it is not aromatic. But here there is no need of this lone pair, so this lone pair can be given out easily. So it's a stronger base compared to pyrrole. In pyrrole, this lone pair is mandatory for the delocalization, or you say aromaticity purpose. It is much used. In this case, no need of that electron pair which is present on the nitrogen. That's why pyridine is going to be a better base than pyrrole. Cycloheptatrienyl bromide exists as an ionic salt known as tropylium bromide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Same reason, same logic. Br minus. Like this, it is existing much. Reason is again same. Aromaticity. Okay, now. Tropylium carbocation, highly stable because of aromaticity. This is aromatic because of aromatic character. Rather than in this form, it is trying to lose its electron to bromine and it is turning into a carbocation. When it is tropylium carbocation, it will be having aromatic stability. Cyclopropenone has a greater dipole moment than acetone. Acetone we know CH3, C double bond OCH3. And another is saying cyclopropenone. Cyclopropenone will be like this. More dipole moment you can see in this case than this, because if it is shifting here, nothing special, minus plus. Okay, when this is shifting here like this, it is nothing special. But when it is shifting like this, minus and plus, this part is going to be aromatic in nature. So because of that, always the electron pair is shifted towards the oxygen, and you can say here more dipole moment can be observed. More dipole moment can be seen. So these are few questions. Okay, I will ask you few more questions.